Haifeng Company Limited is an advanced leading jewelry manufacturer in China. Our factory is located in the famous jewelry manufacturing center Haifeng Meilong. There are very strong jewelry industry resources here, providing customers with a strong supply chain. Evyny has invested 3 factories here and continues to grow. Our factory area reaches 2,000 plus square meters, and we has over 150 skilled jewelry craftsmen. Evyny provides one-stop OEM and ODM customization of brass, silver, stainless steel and other mid to high-end jewelry for customers from all over the world, and strives to create perfect jewelry for customers. Our factory have 18 years experience in silver and brass jewelry production. We emphasize on quality and cost control from the raw material sourcing to finished products, help to provide our customers with a competitive advantage in the market. Our own professional jewelry design team will turn your conceptual design into real objects, produce beautiful jewelry and accelerate your design sales growth. Our mission is to deliver high-quality customized jewelry based on customer demands, and let them to stand out in the jewelry industry. With over a decade of development, Evyny Jewelry has amassed a wide range of jewelry styles and inventory for customers to choose. We warmly welcome customers from all around the world to explore and make cooperating with us. Send us message and inquire now, we are waiting for you.